This video is about cow pose or bitilasana. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go in depth about cow pose, which is often coupled with cat pose, and we will go over that in another video. This posture is good for warming up the spine before you do more complicated postures. It improves posture and balance. It strengthens and stretches the neck and the back. It stretches the hips, abdomen, neck, and spine, and it also helps with coordination. So there's a lot of real benefits to doing this posture. We are going to come to table pose, tabletop pose. Just bring the hands under the shoulders, the knees under the hips. Look back behind you, make your feet disappear. This is a good thing to do when you're getting ready to do down dog as well. Spread the fingers out nice and wide. We want nice, even pie-shaped pieces. Make sure the wrist crease is lined up with the short side of the mat. We want to have the wrists, elbows, and shoulders all in a nice straight line. So just put the hands under the shoulders. We want to just have a long spine with no compression. So the tailbone lifts, the head lifts, the gaze can go up. Let the belly just lower. Come back to neutral position. We can have the feet hip distance apart. An add-on that we can do is to tuck the toes under and put a lot of pressure into the big toe pad. Activating the feet is pretty important because we need to keep our feet healthy as well. So just one more time, start in a neutral position. And then lift the head, gaze comes forward, push the mat away with the hands, lift the hips. Just let the belly button lower. Belly lower, belly soft. Making sure there's no compression in the spine. Come back to center. Good job. And that is cow pose. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. You can check me out on Instagram as well. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.